the competition is for the athletes, but you have to tailor it to the general public.
Yeah. Until we can get, yeah, that's the
And
hard.
that's why you
That's
have to
so
have one
difficult.
damn federation.
You think so?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
One federation. Because if you're, and I said this in the article, no one's going to watch football if there's 15 different, leagues of the NFL or something like that. Who am I going to
Oh,
watch?
right. So
It's too much to choose from. I'm a world champion. I'm a world champion. I'm a world champion. I'm a world champion. No, you're not. Who's the world champion? One, Raw Unity had it right. They had a great idea. I'm not sure if anybody remembers that, but Raw Unity, they used to have it in Florida. They had it right. They brought the biggest, strongest people together. It was a money meet, cash prizes, and whoever the strongest person was won the damn money. Plain and simple. Now, there was no drug testing, but drug tested and undrug tested lifters came, and they brought whoever had the highest damn totals, they got invited. And guess what happened? People were breaking world records left and right in that meet. And that's what Sheffield did 15 years later, something like that. So
Yeah.
meets need to be more like Sheffield.
I think so. I'll add, what is it called? The one that down here in Australia, Big Dogs.
Yes.
Yeah,
exactly.
I think what Marcos did with Big Dogs and Pro Raw and all that, creating like a really, really strong competition where you would finally see Milanichev and Lilliebridge and Odell Manuel all on the same platform at the same time. You go, who really is the best when they're all there lifting the same bar together?
Yep.
And I
on
think
the
that
same
worked.
day.
The only problem with that is the drug tested, non-drug tested split, and you didn't get to see. I would have loved to see Ray Williams in a competition like that.
Absolutely.
So we actually get to see Ray compared to Andre and go, what's the difference with these guys?
Yeah, and there's not. I mean, at the top level, there's really only a like 10-15% difference, but that 10-15% is massive, right?
Yeah.
At those numbers. Right. You say, oh, 10%. Well, that 10%, when you're talking about 1,000 kilo total, that's a lot.
Yeah.
That's a big, 100 kilos. That's a big ass number on your total. So that's why it would have to be tested and untested. And now people don't have to hide.
There's guys in that. I know that there's guys in that competition that were completely drug free. They're just absolute. They're beasts.
Yep. Yeah, for sure. Like David Ricks was in Raw Unity. He's drug free.
Yeah.
And he beat Ryan Selly the one year. And
how cool
I'm not
is
sure
David Ricks?
I don't know if Ryan Selly was on or not, whatever, but he never competed in the IPF. So I have to assume he was quote unquote untested. I don't know if he was using, but he was untested. And then Ryan Selly came back next year and he beat him. So then Dennis Cherry was in there. He did the bench. He benched like 535 pounds. It was stupid at 198 pounds. It's just dumb.
Heavy D, got to be heavy. Always.
Yeah.
Oh,
but
dude.
yeah, that's kind of like, if I was to start and give an idea, that's where I would start. Raw Unity, Big Dogs, something like that and that would kind of kill two birds with one stone. It brings more eyes to the table, right? The more general public, and that brings more eyes to the table means more sponsors, and that grows the sport. So that's kind of, that works. But again, egos need to be set aside.